Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by removing visual clutter so scaling works predictably. Close the reading pane and any sidebars, then use Control plus the mouse wheel or View Zoom to reduce message and folder sizes to about 75%–90%. Once done, switch the message list to compact or single line via View Settings so each row uses less vertical space. This decreases overall density and prevents font scaling from pushing items off screen. Make sure changes are visible before moving to layout tweaks. Now refine specifics that control perceived size. Open View Settings and reduce row spacing, set message preview to 0 or 1 line, and remove unnecessary columns so each row uses less horizontal room. Change column and row font sizes to 9–11 points to make lists denser without losing readability. Collapse folder groups and pin a small set to favorites so folder navigation stays compact. These steps shrink both vertical and horizontal footprint while keeping your most used items accessible. Finish by making sure settings persist and fixing common issues. After applying zoom and view tweaks, restart Outlook so layout caches update. This fixes misaligned icons or fonts. If something looks wrong, use View Reset View to return to defaults, then reapply targeted changes one at a time. Also verify Windows display scaling. If it's above 125%, Outlook will appear large despite your tweaks. If problems continue, restart the computer. That often clears DPI and rendering inconsistencies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.